Hi everyone, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. I am going to be doing another vase today in yellow, turquoise, and pink. And I'm going to do a dirty pour on these, so I'm just going to mix my paints here. I went online to see what paints go together. Surprisingly haven't looked at that yet, so yeah, so I found that pink, turquoise, and yellow go together, so this is what I'm doing. Now these are all mixed with Zinsser, not the Liquitex that I've purchased over the holidays. I'm trying to get rid of these paints. This is probably why you'll see me get rid of these paints, because I am looking forward to using my Liquitex more. It has a nice shine to it, which I just absolutely love. So here I'm just going to, and I'm just going to use up the rest of this so I can mix new paints with the Zinsser. Not sure if you can see the color. No, I love it when they have all the colors. Mine doesn't seem to do that. Maybe my paint is not thick enough. I am not entirely sure, but I'm going to try and make it a little bit thicker for the next time, and maybe then I'll start seeing the color changes, because all you see is this little bit here, and that sucks. I really wanted to have that full cup cover. But maybe next time, we'll see. I don't do very many dirty pours because I prefer clean pours. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do this up. So here we go. Lots of yellow in this. All right. Yeah, yellow seems to be dominating here, and that's okay. I had more yellow left, so it kind of makes sense to me that would be the case. And I really like this vase. It flares out at the bottom, which is really kind of cool. Oh, now we're seeing a bit more of the different colors come in. Oh, now I'm seeing a lot of the pink. Let me just take a quick look around. See where I need to get some paint on here. Now the pink is dominating. Funny. Okay. There's my cup afterwards. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna wait for it to stop dripping. I'm kind of liking it. That's kind of nice. Yeah. The one thing though is the top. It always bothers me. Now, I did watch someone tilt the top, which I could probably do. Let's see what happens. There is a little bit of paint stuck in there, but I'm sure the rest will drip off and cover that. Oh, jeepers. There's a few of them. I bet you any money that's from having them there so long. Okay. I seem to have gotten most of it. Yeah. Okay. Pretty cool. Now I'm just going to do a tilt. How am I going to do a tilt? Probably shouldn't do a tilt with that. Here, I'll tilt it with this. Let's see what happens. I've never done this before. Normally I blow the top off. Whoa! Okay, that was a little scary, I have to tell you. This time I'm just going to try and drip it off as opposed to blow it off, so I maintain those lines that I'm seeing in here. If I blew this out, which I'm not saying is a terrible idea, but if I blew this out, the lines would all change and become a little bit different. So now I'm going to try it on this side. Okay. I can see some of it going over. All right. Oh, shoot. So there is this one little space over here that I'd really like. I put my finger in it because there was a little piece of dried paint there. Now I just want that dried paint, that little spot, to be covered. So that is what I am trying to do right here. Just going to hold it here for a little bit. Did that work? Not really. So I'm just going to do a blow. Got it. See, even with a blow, it makes, here, let me come in. It makes, I don't know if you can see that, but here. It makes it a bit muddled. So in that area, I hope it just continues to flow down. But this is what I have so far. The lighting is terrible because I moved it a little bit to the side. Maybe I should put it back in the middle. Hold on. Okay, so I just moved it into the middle. The lighting is much better. If you want to take a look, looks pretty cool. I'm just going to move it around so you can see. I don't have a lot of space to work with. As you can see down there over there is my washer and dryer. I have been sentenced to the basement to do this stuff, and that's all right. It's my own little space. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Well, there it is. I'll show it to you when it's dry. Actually, I'm gonna just move around once more, do some close-ups. I love it.